Okay, so today we will discuss about the how to create the custom plugin in the CKEditor. So I have already created one tutorial about the this text editor, how we can do the installation and how to set up the basic CKEditor. So today we will discuss about the custom plugin, how to create. So I have already written a blog on this one. So building a custom save plugin for the CKEditor 5 in Angular. So I will put the this URL in our description so that you can go through this blog and the follow whatever I have written. So I will follow the same thing in our tutorial. So let me start. uh, so here we already have one application running, so I have already installed the CK editor here. So now you can see when I run the application, right? So you can see we have the application which is running. So it's a basic CK editor. So here I want to add the custom plugin here. So here we will create the save plugin, and which when we click on the save plugin ad, so it will trigger an event. After that we can have our own logic. Whatever we want to do with the data, we can save in the backend or do something else. So let's start. So first we need to create a uh, so yeah, we will go through this one. So we will create the save plugin.ts file here. Let me go and do that. Save plugin.ts file I have created. Then we will uh, copy this piece of code. Yeah, don't worry, I will explain everything what I have written here. So in creating the custom plugin, that you need to name the plugin here, and then only we have to return the plugin so that we can use in the our component.ts file. To create the button, we have to use the editor.ui component factory add. So this is the save button. This is the button which will come on the the menu bar. In our case, mm, it will come here. For example, we have a bold italic, so the same way here we will have the save button here. On click of that, we will execute the method. So then it will take a callback function. We have given the button here, and for the button we can add the label. We can add the icon. So for the icon we have added the svg url here. And if you want to display the tooltip, you can put the tooltip as a true. And this is for the view part. So now you would be able to see the the save button on the toolbar. Now after click on the button, right, we want to do something. So for now I have added the console.log save button clicked. So whenever we click on this button, right, so this will get called. So for now we have a console.log. So in the console we can see the save icon clicked, or we can put the alert here also. So we can put here alert also. So now we have the save plugin. So now we need to put this one into the component.ts in the CKEditor toolbar and button, right? So we can just copy the save button. This is the same save button we have here. So this save button we are going to copy into the app.component.ts. Here we can just copy here, and this would be the string because this is not the variable here. And then here we have the plugin name. So this is the plugin name can be anything. So for now I will put this plugin name here. So let's I have put the save plugin, and now we can import it from the save plugin. So now you can see I have made all the changes, and now the once the application will run, right, we should have the save button here. Now you see that we have the save button, right? When we click on this one, so you can see the we got the alert button clicked. So this is the very easy to create the the custom plugin. So for now I have created for the save plugin. You can create the uh, you know uh, any other custom plugin also. Now you know how to create the the button, and on the click of that button, right, how it will to trigger the button. So that's all for today. And thanks all. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.